What's up, everybody? Okay, this story is about a guy named Bob. This guy is named Bob. This is Bob. Bob. This is Bob. Bob lives in a small house. Bob lives in a small house. Here's the roof. Here's the door. Here's a window. This is Bob's house. Bob lives in this house. Bob lives in a small house. Small house. Small. Great. Bob works in a big factory. Bob works in a big factory. This is the factory. This is the factory. This is the factory where Bob works. Some more windows in the factory. Windows, window, 3 windows, 1 window. The factory has 3 windows. The house has 1 window. Bob works in a big factory, and he lives in a small house. Big factory, small house. Who is this? Who is this? Is this Bob? Yeah. This is Bob. That's Bob. What is this? What is this? Is this the factory? No, this is the house where Bob lives. This is the house where Bob lives. Is the house small or is it big? Is the house small or is it big? Right. The house is small. The house is small. Bob works in the factory. Does Bob live in the factory? Does Bob live in the factory? No. Bob doesn't live in the factory. Bob doesn't live in the factory. He works in the factory. Bob works in the factory. Bob lives in a small house, and he works in the factory, the big factory.